Use the Instapage experiments to compare two versions of a web page and see which one performs better. To begin, make sure your page is published. Then create a new experiment by clicking the respective button. In the new window, specify whether you'd like to launch an AI experiment or conduct a manual A/B test. Name your experiment so that you can identify it later and add a relevant hypothesis. Select the existing page experience that you'd like to test, then click Create. Your existing variations will be added automatically. Feel free to add a new variation, edit the existing variations in the builder, and set the traffic split. Keep in mind that it's not recommended to set a variation to a 0% traffic split. If you have two variations and only need one variation live, set both to 50% and end the experiment. If you have more than two variations, you can simply pause the variation by clicking the ellipsis button on the right. Use the same ellipsis button if you want to delete, duplicate, pause, or rename the variation. Once all is set, start the experiment. As you can see, the key metrics and the traffic split for the previous variations are already included, which means you don't need to check the analytics page every time you want to set the traffic split and to see how each variation performs. Click on the page name to open the site out. Here, you can edit your page settings, such as conversion goals, integrations, scripts and privacy, search and social and URL settings. You can edit a variation that is part of a running experiment by clicking the Edit button, but remember that doing so might affect the experiment's results. Use the Instapage builder to make changes to the variation and click Update, and continue to save changes and publish them right away. To end your experiment, click the respective button and choose the winning variation. From now on, the selected variation will be the only one visible to the visitors of your page. A/B testing is a simple, fast, and effective way to improve your website and increase conversions. To learn more, join us at instapage.com.